Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is Miniature Adventure. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, and follow. Your support is appreciated. In an ordinary human household, a tiny and magical world exists. In this miniature world, lives a group of beings called the miniatures. They reside in the crevices of furniture and navigate through the pages of books, living a life vastly different from their human counterparts. The protagonist is a miniature named Minnie, and she is a member of this tiny community. Despite their homes being 1/10 the size of regular furniture, it doesn't hinder the miniatures from passionately living their lives. One day, Minnie decides to embark on a daring adventure. She wants to leave the miniature world and see what a regular human home looks like. So, with a small backpack and a tiny handcart, she begins her mini exploration. Firstly, Minnie enters the living room. For regular humans, the sofa is a comfortable resting place, but for miniatures, it's a vast desert. Minnie decides to cross this desert, using miniature climbing gear to ascend the backrest of the sofa, experiencing the thrill of scaling peaks. Next, Minnie ventures into the kitchen. For regular humans, it's a paradise of rich and delicious delights, but for miniatures, it's a massive warehouse of ingredients. Minnie delves deep, discovering a strawberry bigger than herself. Unable to resist, she dances on the strawberry, enjoying a mini concert. Then, Minnie sets out for the study. In this world, a single book is as towering as a skyscraper. Minnie chooses her favorite book, using a tiny climbing rope to ascend the bookshelf, and immerses herself in a sea of books, enjoying a miniature adventure story. Lastly, Minnie arrives at the master bedroom. In this vast space, the bed seems like an expansive meadow. Minnie uses her small handcart to carry miniatures, racing around on the bed and creating a miniature sports event. Minnie returns to her tiny home at the end of her adventure, bringing back numerous beautiful memories and adventure experiences. She shares her stories, and her enchanting smile conveys a unique understanding of the extraordinary beauty of the miniature world. This small exploration makes Minnie and her miniature community cherish their little world even more. They understand that although their bodies are tiny, their hearts can possess a much greater expanse.